Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. If you like my content or have any suggestions, please let me know, and by all means, make sure you share. The only way I can get my word out is you help me get the word out as well. Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves, and this is another edition of Easy, but Not So Easy. Today we're going to talk about what it means to work with either a volunteer lawyer, a pro bono lawyer, or a lawyer providing free legal services like legal aid or public defenders. Services. The easy part is to remember this, that whenever you're dealing with an attorney like this, they are equally qualified, if not even more so qualified, to provide you the representation that you're looking for. The not so easy part is the other little things that you need to be mindful of when it comes to working with these attorneys. First, these types of attorneys typically are in high demand. I mean, there is a lot of people out there who don't necessarily have the financial abilities to be able to hire an attorney. So whether it's a pro bono attorney, whether it's a volunteer attorney, or going through legal services, there's usually a huge demand for these persons' legal services. So getting them can sometimes be tough. For some of these persons, their hours are limited. If they're dealing with such a large number of cases, or if it's a volunteer or pro bono attorney where they're only taking certain cases, they have to balance the interest with the large number of cases they have with the actual caseload they have already. So if it's a legal services, they may have a lot of clients that they're dealing with, so they're very limited in the time that they have to work on certain cases, in some situations, not always, some situations. But if it's a pro bono or volunteer attorney, if they are giving their time to provide a service and they have to balance that with the other paying clients, it becomes tough in terms of the fact that they have to be very, very strategic, ensuring that your case gets the amount of attention that it deserves while balancing the interest of the other clients whose cases deserve that attention as well. And these attorneys are very selective. Sometimes what happens is, other than public defender, which is a little different, in a pro bono or volunteer case, those types of attorneys or legal aid cases, those attorneys, they are very selective in the types of cases they take. Now, legal aid is a little different because your finances may come into play because they tend to work with those people who don't have financial means to do so. So you have to demonstrate that you have it. But if you're talking about a pro bono or a volunteer lawyer, in those cases, they are equally selective because they want to ensure that they're able to provide the services that they can. And so they're not just arbitrarily or just going to willy-nilly just give out legal services to anyone. So they're going to be just as tough on the cases they take, despite the fact you might not be in a financial position to be able to afford them. Utilizing legal services from pro bono or volunteer or legal aid, those are great resources for you if you don't have finances. And even if you do and you think maybe you want to take a slightly different route, these are attorneys who are seasoned in what they do. Just know at the end of the day that they are attorneys and they are very selective in what they do and who they pick.